Welcome to Mother Daughter Projects. I'm Steph.
I'm Vicki, and today we're going to share 5 reasons why you may not want to buy this from Costco.
And what this is a way to store totes or bins for holding all your stuff. And who doesn't have stuff that they need to organize and keep in a place? So it sounds like such a good idea. And there's a lot of these kind of going around on the internet of DIY versions you can make and pre-made ones. And so when we saw this at Costco, we kind of thought, hey, this would be perfect. And so Mom wanted it to try it out, and we've been trying it out for the last couple of months, and we have some thoughts.
Number 1, the bins are awkward. They're awkward to pull out. What I wanted to be able to do with this was be able to pull out the bins and get whatever I needed and then put it back in and then go on. You can't do that. You have to actually fully take the bins down, take the lids off, get what you need, then pick them up and put them back. So not very user-friendly, pretty awkward.
Number 2, they're heavy to lift. So because they're actually stored on top of the lip of the bin, you actually have to pull the weight of the bin out and then you have to figure out how to get your arms around it and then completely take the bin out. And as this is kind of tall, especially on the very top one, it's really awkward to try to get that one down, and each shelf can hold 50 pounds, and that's kind of heavy when you're just trying to get something quick in a bin. So they're heavy.
Yes, they are heavy. Yeah. Number 3, this we didn't really notice until after we started using it, but when you do take those bins out, the whole thing wobbles. I did start storing them without the yellow lids, and when you do that and you try to take them out and the thing's wobbling, well, then they fall into each other. So awkward to get those things out because of the movement.
Number 4, it's hard to move. So this is actually stationary. It, when you push it, it does wobble, but you can't easily move it to another location. And for us, we use our garages for a lot of things, and this is where we've been storing it, in the garage. But everything in our garage has wheels on it. So we want everything on wheels so we can easily move it around when we're needing to use the garage for different purposes. And this is stationary. There's no wheels on it, so it feels very limited in the ways that we can use it. We've kind of had it stuffed in the corner, but we wanted to move it, and we had to take all the bins out and then kind of both help move the unit, and so it's not super convenient. And number 5, you can build something better. So we actually built something better than this a couple months ago, around the same time that we got this at my house. So I have a lot of outdoor gear for kayaking and camping, and I needed a good place to store it in my garage. So we built this unit, and what's nice about it is it's on wheels and it's built on a pallet. So it's nice and strong because pallets usually have to hold a lot of weight. But we built it 2 next to each other so that it wasn't super high up, so we wouldn't have to pull very high up to get a bin out. And it's very easy to just kind of pull the bin out, get what I need. I can also just open it a little bit, don't have to bring it completely out. And I have been using that and had 0 issues with it. I've been super happy with it. And I think we could easily make something like this for smaller bins, make that out of wood and wheels, and I think that would be just as convenient as the one we built originally was. What I have decided, these seem really cool, but they're not practical, because holding the bin by the lip is just not really practical, because you always have to kind of pick up the weight in order of everything in the bin. But if you have these bins sitting on a shelf, then you just kind of have to drag them out, and that's what we did in our design, and I think that really is the way to go. I'm not sure why these became such a trend, because in reality, at least for us, it doesn't work.
A shelf is better.
A shelf is better. We are going to return this to Costco tomorrow. Costco is great. We love Costco, and they do have a good return policy, and we haven't been satisfied with it, so we feel okay returning it.
Now, I really, really wanted to like this. I really did. I mean, I was on board. I was like, Steph, let's get this. We have the bins. It'll be perfect. And obviously, we've not had success with this. But I think if you get something like this, if you store very light things like your Christmas decorations, holiday decorations, and that makes them light, then you would be able to lift them and put them in place. And holiday decor is not used on a regular basis, so you can tuck that away in your garage.
Now, if you have something like this at your house that you are happy with, let us know. We want to hear your experience. If you have other ways that you organize items like this, let us know. And as always, if you want to see more projects from us, be sure to visit us at motherdaughterprojects.com and subscribe right here on YouTube. All right, we'll see you next time. Bye.